So today we're going to start the process of developing each of your student college and career planning portfolio. This is a document that you will be working to develop throughout your high school years and into your future. You will be able to add work samples, accomplishments, activities, goals, your resume, letters of recommendation, and other items of your choice to this to this portfolio over the next few years. And you're going to ultimately be able to use it as you enter your senior year and you start the process of applying for various college options, and very important, you'll be able to use it for applying to jobs and obtaining scholarships in the future. We're going to start this process by having you create a folder just for your portfolio items in your Drive. So I'm starting off on the Drive page, and if you just simply go hit the new folder, and we're going to call this Your Name with College and Career Planning Portfolio. So and check the spelling of everything and hit create. So now in your Drive, along with your other items, this was a blank folder in my case. You now have Your Name, College and Career Planning Portfolio. And we're going to be, when you create a document for your portfolio, you're going to be able to keep it in this folder so you keep everything organized. Okay, so now we're going to start the process of actually creating your personalized portfolio. And to do that, we're going to come over here to the waffle and select Sites. And there's a whole bunch of sites here, and I have put a 0 in front of the WHS one that you're going to select so it comes up first on top. So click on that. And at this point, where it says this site is a template, any changes you make will be visible to all users. What we're going to do is, you can't change it, but you're going to say, use this template. And now it's going to ask you for your site's name, and you're just going to name it Your Name. I'm going to put a 15 because I've done this a few times. You don't put a number at the end of yours, just keep it Your Name. And then you're going to hit create. And what you'll see come up is your personalized Your Name portfolio. And there it is. I'm going to show you how to navigate through this in a little while. First, we're going to do some sharing of it. So what we're going to do is come over here to the Share button. Select that Share button. And what we want to do is, we want you to be able to send this link to different people. So we have to select Change under Who Can See This. And what you're going to do is select the On Anyone with the link. And then that allows you to share it with people that you want to share it with. And then click Save. And now you're going to invite 3 people right now to be able to see this. Please enter my name. You should self-populate. Miss Van Buren. And your advisor. So if your advisor is Mr. Oates, you would type in Oates and select your advisor. Unselect or deselect the notify people. We don't need to be getting emails that you've created this or shared it with everybody, so just deselect that and then say OK. And it's going to give you a message. Just say OK. So now you've changed the permissions on your site and you've shared it with 3 people. To navigate back to your main page, you just select in the upper left-hand corner the Mike Matheson 15, or this will be your name, and that will take you back to your main page. So now we're just going to navigate through the basic portfolio. I just want to show you some of the features. You can edit any of this. We recommend that you keep it pretty standard so that when people are looking at these in the future, they know where to go and they don't have to be navigating through to find things on yours. So keep it in this basic layout. You're welcome to change colors and fonts and things like that as long as it adds to the overall presentation of your portfolio. But what we have is on the left side menu. This is where you'll put a whole variety of the items, such as awards and recognitions, the type of activities that you've been involved with. Right now it has my high school plan. It has it there. We're going to use Aries for that instead. It's got a place for goals, letters of recommendations, your personal inquiry statements, responses, skills, and then there's some links to some Weed High School planning exploration documents. Over on the one column over, I'll say, you see those same items under planning documents here as well. All of these items under My Stats are items that about every quarter to semester you'll actually edit and put your current school, which in this case is going to be Weed High School, grade point average, class rank, any test scores that you have back. You can add your district performance task scores for this year and the past years here, and any career paths that you currently are in and working towards completing. As you go through your high school experience, you're going to get to add links to work samples. So right now, you could put a link to your 9th, 10th, 11th, or 12th grade performance task, or any one of those that you would want to share with somebody. You might put your sample application, job shadow experience, thank you letter, job proposal, resume, if you're a senior and you did that in your 11th grade year. Any projects. So if you've done some woodworking projects or welding projects or photography projects, you can put links to those projects here. And of course, that finale project, your senior project, could have links to your presentation and or paper here as well. This last column is where you can put links to colleges and careers of your interest, as well as any links to pictures of people you would consider to be heroes, people you look up to, coaches, family members, individual. Maybe it's a politician or it's somebody that has just inspired you throughout your lifetime. And we're going to be teaching you how to add these pictures and links in the next day. Just going over to my awards and recognitions, the way we have these pages set up is that they are done by a drop-down menu item so that you're sure to get all the necessary items. So you can do a add item and it will give you input boxes for those different items. And we'll be doing some of those at a later time. But at this point, you have your basic portfolio set up to navigate back from any of the pages. You always hit that Weed High School College and Career Planning portfolio and it'll take you back to your main page. So at this point, just go ahead and explore through some of these other links and we will start to prepare for our next step, which is to customize and add your pictures and your data to your